The feeling of needing someone is powerful, especially if you want to become a central figure in their life. If someone feels like they can't live without you, or that they rely on you for their happiness and well-being, they will naturally become more emotionally attached. Here's how to make someone feel like they need you. Step 1. Become their emotional anchor. To make someone feel like they need you, you have to be the stabilizing force in their life. Be the person who listens when they need to vent, the person who supports them during tough times, and the person who can calm them during emotional turbulence. People tend to need those who make them feel safe and grounded. If you show up consistently in their moments of emotional instability, they will begin to rely on you as their emotional anchor. Step 2. Show that you provide something they can't get elsewhere. People tend to form dependencies around things they can't easily replace. If you provide something unique, whether it's emotional support, advice, or even a sense of adventure, they will start to feel like they need you to fulfill that gap in their life. By offering something that no one else can give them, you make yourself the one person they can't afford to lose. Step 3. Be the person who makes them feel valued. If someone feels valued by you, if they feel like you genuinely care about their happiness, they will naturally become more emotionally attached and dependent on your approval. Compliment them on their uniqueness, validate their feelings, and show appreciation for them. When they realize how much you value them, they will not only feel emotionally connected to you, but will also become emotionally dependent on you to maintain their sense of worth. By becoming their emotional anchor, offering something irreplaceable, and making them feel valued, you can make someone feel like they need you in their life. Stay happy until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.